Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension is called Create a Google Drawing. This extension creates a new Google Drawing in one click. I always feel that the way Google has you go about opening a new drawing took too many clicks. I had the opportunity to make this extension as an example for one of my students. It was also a good way to see if I could do it by myself. So I'm adding it as my extension. This is the icon bar. Create a Google Drawing has been added to your Chromie. So let's click it here. So this is the page. It's already come in. Okay. So if I want to write or draw something else, then I can do it easily. Let's click it here. Well, I'm going to write something. Let's select a color of I'm gonna color this. Okay, hello learn how to be words. What's up to wall. So I can, if I want to do it, I can broad it, or also, well, or also make a font as I like. Then I can change the color too. Also the T options, the selective options, and also can zoom in. Also I can rotate it as much as like I wanted to. Also change the color. Also change it to like the size of it, and also press a link here, also click something, it is gone. Okay, so this is format options, size, posting, lift, drifting, drop shadow, and reflecting, editing, like how I would like to edit. So also you can share it here by using. So this is how actually it works. It's easy to use something. Thanks for watching.